So this is the GameCube Pokemon mashup that I think I didn't see coming, but it's absolutely awesome. I actually got 2 of these. One of them I'm keeping sealed, like a, collector's edition. This one I'm going to open, have a look at, and then I'm going to give it away. That's right, this is a bit of a giveaway, but I want something in return, okay? So kind of in the spirit of Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all, I'm working on a website that I can't talk too much about, but I want your finger tricks. Okay. I'm looking for finger tricks for PLLs. Specifically, if you go to my website, there is a little link that says finger trick thingy-mabobby. Click this and it'll take you to a website where you can submit either your own. So if you record something on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or something, well, actually, no, just TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Post a link, tell me which one it is, tell me your contact details. You could win one of these cubes. And if you don't feel comfortable doing it, link me another one. Now, read the rules. Read the rules. I'm not going to explain them all here, but read the rules on the site. Big one is it has to be for just that case, okay? This will run for 2 weeks or until I found them all. You may see in the next day some of the links disappearing. When I find one that's good enough or I'm happy enough, I'm going to close that one off. So, get submitting. I'm sure the J's and the T's are going to go pretty quickly. Maybe that's the meta strategy. Maybe you aim for just like R perms and G perms and stuff. I don't know, but good luck to everyone. 2 weeks or until we fill it. Gotta catch them all. See ya.